Hello students, welcome to online teaching eSuvidya. In the previous class, we were discussing about the harmful effect of acid rain. Do you remember what are the harmful effect? How does the acid rain affect the water animals and plants? The water animals and plants, they die. Why? Due to the acidic water. They cannot take respiration, so they die. As a result, in Sweden, 4,000 lakes were dried up and all the fishes and water animals from those lakes vanished due to acid rain. So, today we will continue its effect. It has a long range of effects everywhere where it falls on. So, today we will discuss about the harmful effect of acid rain on the animals and human beings. What are other effects we will see? So, open your book and we will read the paragraph 14, 15 and 16 which contains the effect of acid rain. When forests begin to die, the animals and birds in those forests follow. Among the growing list of species threatened by acid rain are the pied flycatcher and Apollo butterfly in Sweden. The dipper fish has vanished from the river of Central Wales and the brown trout from Norwegian lakes. The list goes on. What about our health? Acid rain irritates the sensitive tissues of our eyes and lungs, particularly in children. It can also cause skin lesions. Living beings apart, even buildings are not spared. In Poland, the beautiful old buildings of Krakow are slowly being destroyed by acidic smoke. In Athens, a city which is highly polluted, acid rain is eating into the marble of its world famous monuments. Experts say that more damage has been done in the past 25 years than in the previous 2000. That means here the effect of acid rain is on the animals and birds. So, can you imagine when the large stretches of forest are dried up, leaving only the skeleton of trees, then where will the animals and birds go? Because they take shelter in the trees in forest. When the vast stretches of forest are destroyed due to acid rain, only there are skeletons of trees. थुंटा गछ केवल अच्छी, पत्र नाही, डाल नाही, शाखा नाही, फूल नाही, फल नाही, ताले एनिमल्स बर्ड्स माने जिबे कुआडे? Then ultimately they will also die. So, when forest begin to die, the animals and birds in those forest follow. So, when forest will die, plants will die, then animals and birds will follow, means they will also die subsequently. Among the growing list of species threatened by acid rain are the pied flycatcher. So, pied flycatcher, one type of insects, those are seen in Sweden, like housefly in our areas, they are having pied flycatcher, they are seen in Sweden. And Apollo butterfly, one species of butterfly, Apollo. Apollo butterfly. So, in Sweden, these species of pied flycatcher and Apollo butterfly, they have been vanished. They are not seen anymore. Why? Due to destruction of forest. The dipper fish has vanished from the river of Central Wales. Dipper fish, one type of fish, brown like brown trout. So, dipper fish also one type of fish. So, they are vanished from the river of Central Wales and brown trout from Norwegian lake. सो नॉर्वेजियन लेक नॉर्वेर लेक गुड़ाकरू ब्राउन ट्राउट एक प्रकार मधुर माछ आउ सेंट्रल वेल्स रिवर रु डीपर फिश नामक एक प्रकार मधुर माछ से माने मध्य तांकर सत्ता हरेले अर्थात दे वे आर भैनिस्ड से माने देखा गले नाही तामाने लेक रो वाटर जेतेबेले एसिडिक हो गला से माछ माने मरी गले तांकर वंश लोप पाई गला व्हाट अबाउट आवर हेल्थ एटा तो हैला एनिमल्स बर्ड्स फ्लावर्स इंसेक्ट्स मानक फिश ऊपर ताले ह्यूमन बीइंग ऊपर आर इंपैक्ट कोन एटा एडवर्सली इफेक्ट करूची कि इन पॉजिटिव मैनर अफेक्ट करूची व्हाट अबाउट आवर हेल्थ एसिड रेन इरिटेट्स द सेंसिटिव टिश्यूज ऑफ आवर आईज द टिश्यूज ऑफ आवर आईज आर वेरी सेंसिटिव रिएक्टिव very soft so the sensitive tissues of our eyes are fast affected by acid rain if acid rain falls or if our eyes come in close contact with the acid rain then the sensitive tissues are very reactive there is eye irritation and lungs also the lungs become the prey of this acidic rain and particularly in children leave about us leave others adults or young mass specifically the children are more affected by the acid rain it can also cause skin lesions wounds इंजुरीज देखि बेले बेले पिला मान गोड़े सब फोटका हो जाए तुम यदि गाँ गहली में केतले पोखरी पानी रे गाधे आम भावती दल पोखरी जो थाए सब नागफेणी दल से पोखरी गाधेले बेले बेले गोड़ हाथ गुड़ाक कला पड़ जाए आउ फोटका बाहरी पड़े सेगुड़िकर कारण आम से जानी न था कि जो पाठटा पढ़ी सारा से आम लिंक करवा जे से पोखरीर पानी बोधुए एसिडिक होता सो एसिड रेन और एसिडिक वाटर कजेस स्किन लेसियंस आमर स्किन उपरे आमर चमड़ा उपरे बेले बेले फोटका हो जाए वुंड हो जाए से गुड़ाक ये एसिड रेन प्रभाव लिविंग बींग्स अपार्ट एमाने तो गले लिविंग बींग्स दैट मीन्स the acid rain affects both living beings and non-living beings. So apart from living beings, even buildings are not spared. कुछ building को मध्य से छाड़े नहीं. Spared means leave. Spared past tense left spare leave spared left so the buildings are not left that means it also affect the buildings in Poland the beautiful old buildings of Krakow are slowly being destroyed by acidic smoke plus fog जानिछ fog कुहुड़ी तेणु कुहुड़ी संगे जो स्मोक धुआं मिसी जाए ताको आम कहती स्मोक दैट इज ऑल्सो हार्मफुल सो इन पोलैंड द ब्यूटीफुल ओल्ड बिल्डिंग्स ऑफ क्राको आर स्लोली बीइंग डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय एसिडिक स्मोक सो as a result of this acidic smoke the beautiful buildings the fine buildings in Poland are being slowly destroyed in a day or two we cannot see its effect gradually slowly it destroys the beautiful buildings the color of the building becomes shabby blackened in Athens a city which is highly polluted acid rain is eating into the marbles of its world famous monuments in Athens the capital of Greece that city is highly polluted so there are also world famous monuments kirtiraji buildings temples so many world famous monuments are there they are also being destroyed by the acid rain Experts say that more damage has been done in the past 25 years than in the previous 2000. So it is of the view of the experts, it is the opinion of the experts, meteorologists, scientists, weather experts, they forecast, they say that much harm has been done in 25 years, last 25 years, or recent 25 years in comparison to previous 2000 years. That means गत 25 वर्ष भितर जेतिकी क्षति हेची एयर पॉल्यूशन आ एसिड रेन जोगु तार पूर्व 2000 वर्ष भितर मध्य सेतिकी क्षति हेई नथला। ता माने तुम इमेजिन करि पारुछ काहे के एटा हेची? दिस इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन। द पॉपुलेशन इज ग्रोइंग इन ए फास्टर रेट। So to meet the demand of growing population, we need urbanization, industrialization, increase in automobiles. So everything we have to manage for the growing population. As a result of which we are facing with the polluted air. So the experts are of the view that in recent 25 years, more or much effect, much destruction has been made, has been done by polluted air in comparison to previous 2000 years. Okay? So this is all about the damaging effect of acid rain on the animals, plants, human beings and other non-living things like buildings, monuments. So students, you will go through the paragraphs and will try to understand well, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you.